There are two kinds of software testers in the industry today: the ones who have learned to work with AI and the ones who are about to be let go. The difference between them is not a tool, it is a mindset. This series is how you build it. Developers are shipping AI-generated code. Features are going from idea to production in a single afternoon, and software testing professionals are expected to catch every bug along the way with the same tools, the same headcount, and the same 40-hour week. Something has to give. That something is how you work. Welcome to Claude AI for software testing. From zero to AI-enabled tester. 30 videos, 6 modules, 1 complete roadmap, taking you from your very first AI prompt all the way to leading an AI-enabled testing team. We start with the fundamentals. Prompting Claude, building a software testing prompt library, using AI to drive test strategy, risk assessment, and test planning. From there, we move into test design, test case generation at scale, exploratory testing with AI, managing test data, keeping every scenario traceable back to a requirement. Then we build. Together, we are going to vibe code a real production-grade application called Risk Radar, built from the ground up, using Claude Code, Playwright, and a full automation stack. No copy-paste tutorials, no pre-built repos. You will watch an entire application come to life, tested end-to-end, built the way real software testers will be building 5 years from now. From there, we go deeper. API testing, performance, security, accessibility, testing AI systems themselves. And then we cross the biggest line in modern software testing. We build AI agents that test software for you. Autonomous testing workflows, self-directed exploratory testing, the capability that separates the next generation of software testers from everyone still writing test cases by hand. We finish with what separates a good tester from an indispensable one: debugging, executive reporting, CI/CD integration, and the leadership skills to bring all of this back to your team. This is the new standard for software testing professionals, not just a new skill set, a new mindset. And by the end of this series, you will be operating with it. If this is where you want your career to go, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss an episode. Drop a like to tell the algorithm this matters. Let's get started.